Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a working QR code for any YouTube video, a super handy trick you can use in 2025 and beyond. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube app on your phone. Now find the video you want to create a QR code for, open it. Once you're on the video page, look for the share button, tap it, and from the options that pop up, select copy link. Alright, that we have the video link. Let's switch over any web browser on your phone. In the search bar, type QR code monkey and hit search. Tap the first result that appears. Once you're on the QR code monkey website, choose the YouTube tab from the available options. Now paste the copied YouTube link into the put box or input box provided. Next, hit the customize and download QR code button. After a few seconds, your QR code will be generated. You can zoom in on the QR code to preview it and then tap download QR to save it to your device. And that's it. You have now created a QR code that links directly to your YouTube video, ready to share, print, or embed wherever you want. If this tutorial helped you out, don't make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips fixes. Thanks for watching.